Question 20 is about nuclear fission. First, look at the question. What is the number of nucleon X of krypton? Kr. Look at here, X. So we use the conservation of number of nucleon. So 1 plus 2, 3, 5 equals 141 plus X plus, be careful, 3 neutrons, so plus 3. So calculation, try to do it. So what is X? Yes, X is 92. And then they want to compare binding energy per nucleon for Kr and Ba. How to do it? No idea. You know it. Remember the binding energy per nucleon diagram? It goes up quickly and then goes down slowly. The peak is iron, and both Ba and Kr passes through it. So this is a mass number or number of nucleon. So where is the position of Kr? Kr just at 92, maybe here. And Ba is 141. So you can see Ba fall down. So the Kr's binding energy per nucleon is larger. So larger the ratio of Kr over Ba, binding energy per nucleon should be larger than or smaller than 1. Yes, larger than 1. So what's the answer? Yes, the answer is A, 92 and greater than 1. You got it? Yeah, if you like our channel, remember, like and subscribe. We need your support. Thank you.